Just wanted to create a new quick little video here talking about one of the new features I put in for the search analyzer section, more specifically the Google. I added a few more options down here that wasn't in there in the previous video if you're watching the other help video, so I thought I'd just quickly add this one in. Basically what I added was the ability to select the minimum number of sales for a given Teespring campaign, whether it's been active or ended, and the same two check marks as before. So let's say, for example, you're going to do something to do with fishing. Fishing is a big niche, so let's go fishing, something like that. But you're only interested in seeing active campaigns on Google that have at least 20 sales. Now this isn't perfect, but it really does help narrow down. I'll just search a max of one page. You can also search, within the last 24 hours, week, or month, like before. Click go and see if it actually picks up anything. No, it actually didn't. So let's say active or ended. See if Google picks that one up. Looks like I picked up 64 designs, and so to go through, and most of them should be over 20 sales. Now, like I said, it's not perfect, but it really helps you narrow down your niche so you can really see what is already working. There's one more feature I want to show you here. It's this preview button down here I decided to add. Honestly, I wanted this in myself, so hopefully you guys like it as well. It's really, really cool. Let me just show you here. Sorry, I hit the wrong pause button. I want to pause this one, not the video. Alright, so that's paused. One thing we can do is, like before, you can just hover over and you can see what those images are. But sometimes I just like seeing everything on a big screen. So, like all the designs. So instead of me putting the images within the grid here, which is very difficult, I can really slow down your computer. What I've done, if you just click this button right here, first I'll sort by sales. If I click preview, it creates an HTML version of all that data and puts it into a preview window, and boom, it instantly comes up and you can see all the shirts and all the data right away, and you can show as many as you want up here, and you can even sort in here as well, same as the data grid. So it's just a quick little feature I added in there to make it really simple to see the designs right away. So I added that here, and I also added that in the Wanilo as well. So if you did like girl shirt here, sort by saves and hit preview, and you'll see it automatically comes up and it shows all the shirt designs there as well. So really handy. You also have the option of having the auto, like every time I click the preview button, it goes full screen on my computer so I see it. If you don't want that, just unselect the auto full screen button, and then it won't do that the next time. So if you go and click it, it won't go full screen. If you want it full screen, click the auto full screen there. So next time I select the preview, it goes full screen. Also, you can view this in your browser. So if you click browser, it'll just open up in your default browser, this report. And you can quickly take a look that way. You can also save the file anywhere you want. And it's the same report as you get when you go to save and you export to interactive HTML file. It's basically the same thing, except you just want to see it really quick. Take a look, and then you're done and move on to the next search.